I trade spot and futures on BYDFi, and if you want to set up an account now, send me a message once you've created your account with your username and UID on Telegram, and I'll put you into a randomly selected prize draw. I've got $10, $20 and $50 gift cards to give out, which basically go against your trading fees, giving you free trading fees basically until the gift cards run out. BYDFi. Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look. I mean, basically this is just a continuation from yesterday's video. We were saying they're going to get most likely a breakout for everything, a breakout for all, or what did I say? Something along those lines, a breakout for all. So yeah, we have now seen that breakout for all. This is the daily, yesterday's daily closing, not just above the descending triangle, which is very nice to see a breakout of the descending triangle so early. Yeah, and now we're a closure above the previous high, which is excellent. We've also had an attempt to make a new high already today, and it's only 7:45 in the morning. So, I mean, that's good stuff. I mean, you cannot complain with that. This is total 2. And the best thing about seeing this on total 2 is the fact that Ethereum is basically being lame AF. Ethereum's not bad, it's just slow. It's definitely just slow. If we look at the candle formations on it right now, what we're seeing effectively is today we're working on a breakout for Ethereum, which should only add more fuel to the fire. If that's basically what's going to happen, and Ethereum is a bit of a delayed fuse, then yeah, we should be looking for Ethereum to continue up, maybe today. Probably today, in all fairness. This is literally just happening as we speak now, and last candle body closure was above it, and this one seems pretty convincing. So that gives us a view to see Ethereum move back up to 2,400, and if the total 2's formation is anything to go by, 2,400 and then beyond. And if we go beyond, the next major target is about 3,000. So I'm doing a live stream tonight, if you want to join me on that. I do them every Fridays and every Tuesdays. They're on the Patreon. There's links in the description below, and you can come and ask me whatever question you want about any chart that you want. Altcoins, stocks, commodities, whatever. We usually spend about 2 hours doing it. So links in the description below, Patreon. Right, let's think about Bitcoin just for a laugh. Bitcoin is doing the same thing. And there's a bit of an early start for me this morning, so I'm just trying to rush a video out because I've got to be somewhere in the next 20 minutes, which is kind of crazy. It's the last day of school and stuff like that for the kid. Right, so yeah, I mean, this is just a carbon copy of Ethereum. It's not doing anything other than breaking out. So we've got breakout on total 2, breakout on Ethereum, breakout on Bitcoin. Let's have a look at EOS. EOS has literally just made a new local high. Excellent. XRP hanging low. This is a different chart, definitely not the same as the others. So yeah, no altcoin is created equal. DOT, we've still got this left over from the remnants of the last stream. Look at that, that's absolutely awesome. So yeah, as far as what's left on my chart this morning, we've got EOS and DOT that are leading the pack. That's clearly going to be just another example of all the millions of other altcoins that I'm sure are looking really good right now. Is this a new local high or working on a new local high? No, not quite yet. Strange little setup, similar to XRP actually. But these two did work on pumps earlier on, before the rest of the market. What else is a popular chart? Atom. Let's have a look at you. I'm just interested, you know, to see what the coins look like this morning. Again, you know, this is how I start my morning for the most part. This is me looking at charts for the first time, not doing any revision for any kind of video, because I've basically got to be out of the house in 15 minutes. Oh, right. Atom's still within what looks like a descending triangle formation, which is fine. And we were looking for a breakout on this one that should take us higher and higher and higher. Next target being basically 12.5, which we've already seen. Top target being around 15. Excellent. What else is interesting? I mean, I'm just turning this video into a live stream, really, aren't I? Because this is effectively what we do, apart from I'm slightly more awake. I mean, I don't really see much point in beating around the bush at the moment. We've decided that the market is bullish based on the total 2, Ethereum and Bitcoin. I suppose the only thing that we should look at, which might hinder its performance, would be the Dixie. So let's have a look at that. Dixie is sinking lower and lower. So I would expect it to continue to go lower now. The bottom of this trend line being 101.465, and then obviously all the way back down here at basically 101. This has been brilliant. Death cross incoming on the daily. Amazing time to be alive. Still, words of warning is don't get too complacent with the way that things are. Obviously, Bitcoin is still relatively hot on its weekly money flow index, but I think until we print a new local high, creating bearish divergence, we should be okay. So we might be looking to print that at a new local high. That could be anything higher than where the last peak was generated, which is basically 44,000. If we can see Bitcoin below that this week and close, this is what we want to see. You'd rather see Bitcoin close below 44,000. So we don't get that tick on divergence. Then we'll be good to go. Right. Probably shouldn't bother uploading this video, but I'm sure there is some value to it for some people. Even if it means, you know, having an earlier night, so you don't sound like this in the future. Right, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the live stream tonight, where there will be some more structured chart viewing. Until then, have a nice day. Take it easy.